Hey, quick heads up. Hostinger just dropped their Black Friday 2025 deal, and it is seriously one of the best hosting discounts you'll find this year. You can get up to 85% off, and if you use the referral link in the description or the QR code on your screen, you'll unlock an extra 20% off instantly. No codes, no hassle. The discount just auto applies. With Hostinger, you get fast loading speeds, a free domain, SSL, backups, and LiteSpeed caching. Everything you need to run a smooth WordPress site. Plus, their built-in AI tools help you build pages, fix issues, and manage your entire website in just a few clicks. And honestly, the extra 20% from the referral program makes this deal unbeatable. It drops the price way lower than what most people get from the regular Black Friday sale. So if you want to claim the Black Friday deal, plus the additional 20% referral discount, hit the link below or scan the QR code. It'll take you straight to Hostinger and the savings will activate automatically. Grab it while it's still live.